Are you ready to discover the 12 coolest gadgets that are worth seeing? From new gadgets to cool and unique items, we've got it all. Get ready to explore the latest in technology, amazing and smart gadgets that you can buy online. These are the must-have gadgets of 2023 that you don't want to miss. Let's dive in. Number 12. Actamid M8S Mini PC. Are you ready to experience the power of a mini PC that's packed with all the ports you need for seamless connectivity? Introducing the Actamid M8S Mini PC, the ultimate hub for your digital world. With its Intel N6005 processor and Intel UHD graphics, this compact PC delivers impressive performance. Whether you're connecting multiple monitors, gaming with a keyboard, or immersing yourself in the RGB ambience, the M8S has got you covered. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast and reliable connectivity. Plus, you can customize the panels to match your style. Say goodbye to bulky setups and embrace the power of the Actamid M8S Mini PC. Get yours now and elevate your computing experience to new heights. Number 11. Beeline Moto plus Beeline Velo. Have you ever wanted a navigation device that keeps you focused on the road while exploring new places? Well, look no further. Introducing the Beeline Moto and Beeline Velo, the coolest gadgets for your motorbike and bicycle adventures. No more distractions from your phone. With their sleek design and intuitive interface, these sat-navs provide a safe and convenient way to navigate. The large arrows display your current direction, while the on-screen dot guides you to your next turn. You can even customize the countdown distance and choose between metric or imperial units. Never miss a roundabout exit or a road fork again, thanks to the helpful junction indicators. And with 2 route modes, you have the freedom to navigate your way. So get ready to ride with confidence and explore new horizons with the Beeline Moto and Beeline Velo, the ultimate companions for your two-wheeled adventures. Number 10. Sightful Spacetop. Have you ever wished for a laptop with multiple screens but without the bulkiness? Well, say hello to the Sightful Spacetop, one of the coolest gadgets out there. This AR laptop revolutionizes your workspace by combining a keyboard with AR glasses. Simply wear the glasses and any location becomes your personal workspace with as many windows as you need, all customizable to your desired size. The best part? It works just like a traditional laptop. No complicated gesture controls or external hardware required. Plus, your data remains completely private. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to productivity with the Sightful Spacetop, the ultimate solution for a seamless and efficient work experience. Number 9. Faimocas Fidget Spinners. Do you find yourself constantly fidgeting to reduce anxiety? Well, get ready to experience the coolest gadget that takes fidget spinners to a whole new level. Imagine holding a shuriken right on your fingertips, or transforming it into a gyro toy effortlessly. These spinners are equipped with a high-quality mechanism, ensuring long and fast rotations while remaining remarkably silent. The reflective green lines add a stunning visual effect, especially in violet light. And if that's not enough, there are other spinners with luminous strips, giving them a modern and impressive look. Get your hands on the coolest fidget spinners around and let the fun begin. Number 8. PitaTag. Have you ever thought about adding some extra functionality to your AirTag? Well, get ready to meet the coolest gadget that combines style and utility. It's not just a simple holder, it's a compact toolkit in disguise. With a cleverly designed compartment in the middle, your AirTag stays securely in place. But that's not all. PitaTag also features tiny limbs that hold 4 commonly used types of screwdrivers, an Allen key, and even a knife. It's like having a mini toolbox right at your fingertips. And the best part? You can clip it to your bag, ensuring you always have it with you wherever you go. Don't settle for a regular keychain when you can have the coolest gadget that's both functional and stylish. Get your hands on PitaTag now. Number 7. KeySmart Max. Get ready to meet the coolest gadget that will revolutionize the way you carry your keys. Introducing KeySmart Max, the ultimate smart key organizer that combines convenience and safety. Say goodbye to a cluttered mess of keys and hello to a compact and sleek design. With KeySmart Max, you can store up to 14 keys along with handy tools like a bottle opener, screwdriver, and even a bright LED flashlight. But it doesn't stop there. The real magic happens with the mobile app. track your keys on the map, or make them ring with a loud tune when they go missing. And here's the cherry on top. You can clip your car fob and stylus to the KeySmart Max, keeping all your essentials in one convenient place. Number 6. Nuwa Pen. When was the last time you experienced the joy of writing with a pen or pencil? Well, get ready to rediscover the art of writing with the coolest gadget on the block, the Nuwa Pen. But this isn't just any ordinary pen. With its innovative technology, it transforms your handwritten notes into digital text. Imagine capturing every stroke, every detail, even on regular paper. And here's the best part. You can export your creations in SVG and PDF formats. Easily share and edit them using the Nuwa Pen app. Plus, with its advanced Trident camera system and infrared light sensors, your handwriting will be faithfully captured. Say goodbye to running out of ink, too, thanks to the easily replaceable D1 ink cartridges. Upgrade your writing experience with the Nuwa Pen and embrace the best of both worlds, the simplicity of pen and paper and the convenience of digital technology. Number 5. EVO Nano Drone. Are you ready for the coolest gadget in the sky? Introducing the EVO Nano Drone, a pocket-sized powerhouse with endless possibilities. Don't let its small size fool you. This drone is packed with features. With its lightweight design and foldable arms, you can take it anywhere. The powerful motors allow for impressive speeds and up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. And controlling it is a breeze with the included controller right in the palm of your hand. Capture breathtaking moments with a 4K camera and easily transfer and edit your footage using the app. Worried about obstacles? Fear not, as this drone automatically avoids them. Get ready to soar to new heights and capture epic adventures with the EVO Nano Drone, the ultimate companion for aerial exploration. Number 4. EZVALO Smart Desk Lamp. Introducing the EZVALO Smart Desk Lamp, a perfect blend of style and functionality. This lamp is not your ordinary light source. It's designed to cater to your every need. With its foldable and agile design, you can easily adjust the angle to suit your activity. Whether you're working, reading, or winding down for the night, the adjustable brightness and color temperature ensure your eyes stay comfortable. And guess what? The lamp even has a built-in sensor that turns it on when it detects your presence. And if that's not convenient enough, you can simply ask Alexa to turn it on for you. Plus, with the built-in clock, you'll always stay on schedule. Number 3. Remo DoorCam 2. Looking for a hassle-free security solution? Introducing the Remo DoorCam 2. Forget about complicated installations. Simply hang it on your door. Connect to Wi-Fi and monitor your surroundings instantly. Get real-time push notifications and use two-way audio to communicate with visitors. No false alarms thanks to the intelligent PIR sensor. It can even distinguish between humans, animals, and environmental factors. Plus, remotely monitor, record, and save videos in the cloud. Keep your home safe effortlessly with the coolest gadget in town. Number 2. Aluratek HD 1080p Video Webcam. Looking for a hassle-free webcam solution? Introducing the Aluratek HD 1080p Video Webcam. No complicated installation required. Simply plug it in and start using it. Mount it on your laptop, remove the physical shutter, and enjoy high-quality video calls. Compatible with popular calling apps, this webcam ensures crystal clear audio with its built-in microphone. The built-in light and face tracking feature ensure optimal visibility and keep you perfectly centered in the shot. Say goodbye to blurry video and poor sound quality. Upgrade to the Aluratek HD 1080p Video Webcam for the ultimate video conferencing experience. Number 1. RAK Hammer Multi-Tool. Looking for a compact and versatile multi-tool? Introducing the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool, the ultimate gadget for all your DIY needs. With 12 functions packed into one handle, this tool is a game changer. Need a hammer? It's got you covered. How about a screwdriver? No problem. It has 2 types built in. It even features a nail claw, wire cutter, various blades, pliers, and a convenient bottle opener. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the integrated safety lock keeps everything secure during use. Whether you're camping, hiking, or tackling home projects, the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool is the coolest companion you'll ever need. Don't leave home without it. Which of these coolest gadgets are you most excited to get your hands on? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome gadget recommendations.